Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the CE-34878-0 error on the PlayStation 4, which causes your applications to crash, and this error code pops up. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. Since we are having software issues and hard drive issues with our PlayStation, one of the things we should try is rebuilding the database on our PlayStation 4. And while we're at it, we should clear the cache on the PlayStation 4 as well. So how do we do this? The first thing we have to do is turn off our PlayStation 4. So let's go ahead and hold down the PlayStation button on our controller. And then pop open the quick menu. And then go down to power. And then go to turn off the PlayStation 4, and make sure you don't go to enter rest mode, so all the lights on the front of the PlayStation 4 are completely turned off. And to clear the cache on the PlayStation 4, it's relatively easy. On the back of the PlayStation 4 there is a power cable. Let's go ahead and just unplug it and keep it unplugged for approximately a minute, and then plug it back into the PlayStation 4, and this will clear the cache on it. So after clearing the cache on the PlayStation 4, let's go ahead and boot it into safe mode by pressing and holding the power button down for approximately 10 seconds. You will hear one beep, and then about 7 to 10 seconds later, you will hear another beep. So once you hear the other beep, let go, and then focus on your PlayStation 4, which will be popping up on the screen. And to operate the menu in safe mode, you will need to connect your PlayStation 4 to the PS4 directly with a USB cable. So go ahead and plug that in, and then press the PlayStation button on the controller. Then go down to option number 5, rebuild database, and select this. This will rebuild the database on the PlayStation 4, and it says it may take a few hours. In my experience, it only takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Then go to OK. And if this is your first time doing it, it may take longer. Your PlayStation 4 will then restart. And this blue screen will pop up that says rebuilding database, and it will give you an estimated amount of time about how long it will take. Mine says only 4 minutes. After this is complete, it will restart and the PlayStation 4 will start up like normal. So if you are having problems with a specific application, let's go ahead and go to that application now. So for example, BioShock. If we're having problems with BioShock and it keeps crashing on us, let's go ahead and go over the application and press options and make sure it's up to date by check for up to date right here. And once you do that, if there is an update, go ahead and update this application, and it looks like I have the latest version. Press OK. Otherwise, you can go ahead and try to delete the application by pressing options once again and then going down to delete and deleting it from your PlayStation 4. And if there is an issue with the application, hopefully re-downloading it and reinstalling on your PlayStation 4 will help it work. So once you have it deleted, go over to Library, scroll down to Purchased, then go ahead and find the application you just deleted. So I deleted BioShock, and here it is. And we can go ahead and press the download option right on the top left side of the screen and get it back on our PlayStation 4. So now that we know the application is up to date, let's go ahead and confirm our console software is up to date by going up to Settings, selecting this, then scrolling down to System Software Update and select X on this. And I currently have the system software that is the latest installed. So the system software and the application software are up to date. The other thing you have to take in consideration is if you're using a PlayStation camera. So let's go ahead and back out of this menu and go to Login Settings and select this. Then go down to Enable Face Recognition and make sure this is on checked. Having face recognition on has been causing the 34878-0 error on the PlayStation 4, causing your system software, your applications to crash. So make sure you have this on checked if you're using the PlayStation camera and it's connected to your console. Then go ahead and remove it and restart your PlayStation 4. Now let's go ahead and back out to the main settings menu once again. And the other thing you need to take in consideration is if you're using a new hard drive on your PlayStation 4. If this error code just started after you got a new hard drive, there may be something going on with that specific hard drive, and you should install the original hard drive back on your PlayStation 4. Now, if this error code keeps reoccurring and it keeps happening again, we will want to back up the data on our PlayStation 4. So let's go ahead and just make sure our data is saved by going to Application, Save Data Management, then go to Save Data in System Storage, and then go to Upload to Online Storage. And then select Options on your controller, and then go to Select Multiple Applications. Then go over to the right to Select All, and upload to the cloud for PlayStation Online Storage. And as you can see, I have 105 gigabytes of free storage space, so I can save all my game data on here. This will only be the saved game data and not the actual game file. So let's go ahead and upload them and select yes to all. So our game data is now backed up to the cloud. Let's go ahead and back out of this menu and go to the main settings menu once again and scroll down to the bottom of this menu and go to Initialization. Select this. Then go down to Initialize PlayStation 4. You'll have two options on here, a quick reinstallation or a full reinstallation. Now, the quick reinstallation will quickly delete data from the PlayStation 4 storage and initialize the PlayStation 4. This method might allow third parties to retrieve the data by using specialized tools. And then a full and complete installation will delete data from your PlayStation 4 storage and initialize the PlayStation 4. This method may take several hours. So go ahead and try a quick or a full reinstallation of your PlayStation 4. If there are any errors with your software, this will completely reinstall the PlayStation operating onto your PlayStation 4. And hopefully this method will help you out. Just be sure to back up the data on your PlayStation 4 before going ahead and trying this. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 4 tech help tips coming up next on Your 6 Studios.